Greetings from Om Research and Analytics. In today's demonstration, we'll be talking about the regularity metrics. The general approach is to look into the mean values and compute the central tendency. But this may be a very biased approach as it is sensitive to extreme values or outliers. Therefore, it is not an appropriate measure to take decisions just looking at the average values. So we have come up with regularity metrics which is not biased by outliers and becomes a powerful metric when tied with other matrices. Regularity metrics gives an accurate picture of the customers from what they do. It helps in classification and segmentation purposes. Regularity metric is a highly valuable way of gaining information to help you understand how your customers are behaving on a deeper level. Regularity metric contains 5 levels: very regular, regular, tolerant, irregular and very irregular. These levels are based on how regularly they follow a pattern. With the help of a small example, I will explain how this metric is computed. This is an example from a major bus ticketing company. Here we are finding out the regularity of customers' travel. This metric is computed at a quarterly level so as to find the quarterly travel patterns of the customers. So now we are reading the data and finding the regularity of the customer travel patterns. So here are the results. We have the passenger number, the number of times he has travelled in each quarter and the regularity levels. So these are your very regular set of customers. So if we consider this person, he has travelled 2 times in each of the quarter. Next comes the regular set of customers. They have booked tickets in all the 4 quarters, but their pattern is not that regular. For example, he has booked 2 tickets in quarter 1, 3 in quarter 2, 6 in quarter 3 and so on. The third is the tolerant set of customers who has booked tickets in 3 quarters. And in a similar way, we have the irregular and very irregular set of customers whose booking patterns are very irregular. We have come up with one more category. We have identified the travelers as one-time travelers who has travelled once in the whole year. So this is a representation of the regularity metrics in a bar plot. We have a very thin layer of very regular customers, and these are your regular customers: tolerant, irregular, very irregular and one-time travelers. This metric again can be tied with the seat levels, which becomes even more powerful and helps in monitoring each segment of customers and allows for clear targeting. So we have segmented the seat bookings into 5 levels. Level 1 are those set of customers who have booked less than 2 seats. Level 2 are the customers who has booked between 2 and 5. Level 3 are the customers between 5 and 20 and so on. So these are your set of customers who come under the tolerance zone and have seat levels between 20 and 50. So by identifying the right segment, you can improve your profitability. So if you can identify the right segment and take the right action, you will definitely see a positive impact on your business. For more details, contact info@omanalytics.com. Thank you.